Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here so we can gain access to the battery. We do that by sliding it downwards, like so. Releases the catches and we can just split two halves of the fob. Now we just get our small screwdriver and we just prise this case open here, like so we can gain access to the battery, and there it is. We just get our screwdriver again, we get underneath it and we just prise it from its housing. This fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just place it into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards on the battery and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get this case, click it all in place, and now we get the other half of the cover and we just slide it into place. And there you go, it's all done.